Welcome to AnyPOS How to Video. How to make a sales order from AnyPOS app. Click on any product you would like to sell. You can add or reduce the quantity. Click Add to Order button. You can also filter products by categories and add them in order. Slide the order bar up to review your order. Or you can directly click on Pay if you don't wish to review your order. Select payment method. We offer cash, cards, or multi-payment option. Let's select cash. Once you entered the amount, here you can see how much change you must return. Click on Pay Now and it's done. You can share the invoice with customer using WhatsApp. Make sure WhatsApp is installed on your device. Or you can print the invoice. This feature is available for both AnyPOS portal and app. Thank you for watching.